Trade intuition, the chart magician. Make sure to type bingo bango in the chat. Domination, elevation, initiation, mitigation, continuation, summaration, revelation, notification, prognification, nullification, nullification, modification, fortification, unification, purification, replication, duplication, overstimulation, annihilation, accumulation, accumulation, continuation, 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 elevation, domination, mitigation, initiation, transformation, detonation, celebration, elevation, illumination, liberation, concentration, orchestration, organization, manifestation, observation, confirmation, acceleration, articulation, regulation, fluctuation, circulation, vegetation, legislation, orchestration, oscillation, penetration, constellation, motivation, revitalization, synchronization, modernization, visualization, operation, calibration, reverberation, meditation, levitation, infiltration, escalation, accumulation, continuation, initiation, mitigation, transformation, radiation, domination, elevation, celebration, vibration, liberation, illumination, continuation, elevation, levelation, total detonation, generation, transformation.
That's right, guys. Accumulation. Then we have acceleration. Then we have mitigation. Then we have a continuation. I'll tell you what, let's continue and let's see if the market can bounce. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, a bingo and a bango. Market makers, let's make it bounce.
We in the charts again.
Love this song.
Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Make it bounce, bounce, bounce.
Market makers, make it bounce. Let's go. Let's see if they do. Let's see if we can bounce here or potentially retrace. A retracement would be great. It would be Tony the Tiger. Great. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without the tuition. That's right, guys. You learn for free. If you have any coins you want to do, we can look at them. If you have any questions on trading strategies, we can look at them as well. And definitely, if the trade looks good enough, we'll actually enter the trade live on air. We did that yesterday. We did that with Zcash. Zcash is the only one in double digits. It's just something that we saw. We took a chance. Aggressive entry. And, well, we're doing okay in it. We are doing okay. It's funny. Trader Geo is like, I don't see anybody doing trades on air. I love Trader Geo. He's like, well, Alex O Crypto, he does trades. I love Alex O Crypto. Dude's a beast. Same with Trader Geo. And I told him, I said, Trader Geo, I do live trades when they're good. And yesterday we saw Zcash and it looked good. And we're up. We're up. Could we have gotten stopped out? Sure. Would we have talked about it? Yep. 100%. We talk about the wins. We talk about the losses. And I have nothing to sell you. So if we lose, guess what we do? We talk about that at the very beginning. Hey, we lost. But right now, the only trade we took yesterday, the only chart we saw yesterday that was, in my opinion, I wouldn't say safer, but a better trade. There was a few coins we did yesterday. SUI, Virtual, HBAR, Caspa, Zcash, and Zcash was the last one we did, and that's the one that I saw, man, let's go for it. So we did. Took the trade on air, and the rest of the market, just remember, like these coins, they moved yesterday, possibly the day before. So do I think they're going to continue going up? They could, but the chance is less likely. However, Zcash looked like it had the potential of running, and it's doing it. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, we got green. What does this mean? This means potentially Bitcoin's going up. We're gonna check out Bitcoin in just a second. Original finance up 3%. That's a pretty good move for the hourly. My X up 3.7%. Again, if you want to look at any of these coins, let me know, and we will get that and possibly take another trade live on air. Let's look at the Fear and Greed Index. Press the page. One more time. Crypto is 28. We are up 2 points. Let's go. Moon mission, all-time highs. Maybe we're getting a little ahead of ourselves. Liquidations. Refresh the page. Thanks to Al giving us the alpha. Let's put this back to 0.6. There we go. On the 24-hour time frame, we have nice amount of liquidations toward the upside. 93.5-ish area is a great target. We have 45.56 million sitting there. Just below it, we have 27.76 million. So a good chunk of change right there. We have another nice block, 35.5 million and 45.38 million, sitting right around 94, call it 94.5. Nice numbers. We have this level right here. If we break this level, right around 92, there's a pretty good chance. We don't have really nice hotspots yet, but if we break that, I'm pretty sure it'll light up, because that's where people are going to start going long, or possible where some targets are at. So we'll see. Nice area would be right around 91.3 for the price to come down to possibly either continue up or to make a high, a lower high, of course, and then break the pivot to the downside, continue taking this, and maybe coming down here. We'll see. We're going to look at the actual chart in just a moment. Let's go to the 12-hour time frame. Ooh, doggy. Look at that. Really nice liquidations for the upside. Lots of liquidations for the upside. The only thing I know, because I don't know which way it's going to go, and the only thing I know is that it cannot, it's impossible for the price action to get these liquidities all up here without breaking a high. It's impossible. It cannot jump over it. It has to go through it. So if we break this high, we're closer to these, which just means that we have a higher chance of us potentially tapping these liquidities before either reversing or continuing up. Let's go to the 3-day time frame. On the 3-day, what do we see? Ooh, beautiful. 100 million, 0.53, sitting right at 90. This is an area that we just talked about, that if we break, this level, really good chance we may come down here. I was looking more along the lines around 89, but because that'd be a nice, depending on what time frame you're looking at. We have fair value gap right here. Some people say, impulsive move, which just means it moved really high or fast. Low volume node right here. What does that mean? That just means there's not a lot of ups and downs. See how this up, down, up, down, up. So there's a lot of orders that were placed here, creating support resistance. Here, there wasn't. It just went up. Sometimes, when we have big moves like this, there's a lot of orders that got missed. How many times have you did an order, a limit order, and it just keeps on going up? You're like, oh man, you know what? I just leave my order here. Hopefully it comes down to it. And then a couple days go by, maybe a couple hours, and it comes back and touches it. That's because your order was still there. And the market makers, they want to make money. So depending if they want, they can bring it all the way back down. All right. Let's see here. Yes. The beanie. Yeah, I got my beanie on. It's pretty cold in the house. I don't know what temperature it is, but it feels like in the 50s or maybe in the upper 40s. I just turned on the heater, but I got my jacket, my beanie on. Let's go. See here. You're black and you're white. Very nice. Very, very nice. And thank you for everybody being here. Really appreciate everybody. Thank you for watching the replay. For those of you who are catching the replay, again, ask questions, comments, concerns, issues. I love going over charts. I love making money together. That's what I like. Special shout out to Floki's Angel saying, love your show. You're the best. How come I can't move it up? I just can't move it up. But thank you very much, Floki's Angels. Appreciate you. Chris, thank you, my man. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you for smashing the like and sharing. You're the best, dude. Absolute best. We got Mike in the house. What's up, Mike? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you very much. Let's put it over here. I've been lagging. Where's that at? I've been lagging on posting trades in the Telegram group too. So tonight I'm starting. Hey, there you go, man. I would love to see your trades. I really would. Your thought process behind them. What I always recommend everybody do is use the use the path tool. So you can see, or you can show your thought process, all the ups and downs that the price action might do. And then I love seeing the after, the updates. If the price action did it, or if it completely, went the other way. That's why I do mine. But very nice. So here, I'm going to post my soul short right now. The one I've been riding for the last day and a half. Hey, there you go. It's finally starting to play. Sometimes they take a while. They really do. We're going to talk about shorting as well. We're going to talk about shorting on the show. Oh my gosh. Sugarheart says, I love fanny packs more. You're funny. Let's see here. What else? Oh yeah. Let's go to Clash. We got people asking about Clash. So our price was here. We're saying if the price comes down, it comes back up, breaks above the line, happy. We like it. If the price goes up, comes down, retest this, comes up again, breaks through it. Whoa. Oh crap, number one. But right now we're doing good. Price came down to around the area we thought. Now we just need to break up. It's getting rejected. I wouldn't say getting rejected pretty hard. Not yet. We have to wait. It's still on the 4-hour time frame. We have to wait about half a day, maybe a day, to see if in fact we get rejected, break this level, continue coming down. Here's our next support, 0.02346. Or if we break above our current resistance at 0.02731, find it at support, break this next level. I'm thinking up. I think we're gonna go up. All right, let us go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, boring, very boring right now. Let's see here. I'm trying to think what the market makers are doing. A lot of people putting their stop losses here underneath this, putting their stop losses here, maybe a little bit lower, maybe here. And the market makers are saying, you know what, let's come down for that. He's broke this level, looking for a bounce right around this level, right around this area. Didn't happen. We're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Came all the way down. Oh crap. Some people's stops got hit, especially the ones that are trading on the lower time frames. Then we started coming up, coming down. Here's where I want to see it bounce. Again, where I want to see it bounce on this extension leg on the lower time frame, 38, 50%. Here would be about golden pocket-ish area. And we broke below it. We break below it. Danger zone. Tom Cruise, crash and burn. Because, well, we may come down. We may come down. So let's take this one off. Let's put this one on. There we go. Let's see here. Right there. All right. Let's see. And then it came to get all of the liquidity, the stop losses for the people who enter longs here. They put their stops here for sure. Maybe here as well. Got them stopped out. Ouch. Very much ouch. Now coming up, I want to see it roll over. To me, it's healthy. I don't want to see it breaking this level. Let's go ahead and do this. Magnet tool. Come on, magnet tool. I do not want to see it breaking 92,971. I want to see this happening. If this happens, I'm happy. We come up, come down, break these lows. Let's just come down. Stop messing around to at least a 382 before starting to come up. I'm okay with that. Bouncing here. We've done it before though. We've done it before. These are moves that I always say I want to see retracement. And there have been plenty of times it just goes straight up. It just continues going straight up. And then it retraces to about the 24%, which is 0.236 on the fib level. And then continues going up. I don't like those moves. We want to see nice healthy retracement so we can continue the potential going up. Now, this is something that we're watching way over here. We're saying that longer term, bigger picture, for us to come up, our major, our first one was here where it happened already, 91.7-ish. We came down, did a higher low. Now our next level is right around here, 98.5. And all these are key levels, guys. I can't express the importance of this. The next key level is right around 104, 105-ish. Because these key levels, these are levels where we're anticipating a pullback and then the decision points. We don't want the lows breaking. We want the highs. Once the very first low breaks, man, I think it's gonna pull down the market pretty hard. Because everybody who's doing TA, technical analysis, they're gonna be like, okay, it's over. Let's start shorting again. Pretty much shorts. We got into this trade. Dang it. We got into this trade last night. Out of all the coins we went through, we went SUI, Virtuals, HBAR, Caspa, Zcash, 3x leverage. And we were up 35% right around here. Now I made a video. It was roughly, I think just under 3 minutes. And I said, you know what? I'd probably get more views if I just get this 3-minute video, make it 30 seconds, put it as a short. And sure enough, it's getting some views. And basically in that video, what I was explaining, and this, I explain this all the time too. Whenever we have a nice run up fast, there's a really good chance we're gonna get a pullback. So here, I would recommend taking profit. But Joe, you're saying that after the fact. No, I say this all the time. Watch my show, watch my channel, ask me questions. Like I talk about this. our target is here, and we're looking for up, down, up, higher, high, down, higher, low, up, down, up, gradually coming in here. But when we get a explosive move in 30 minutes, we did really nice move. Take profit if you can. Take profit. Then I would expect a pullback. I'm looking for a pullback to at least here. This right here, I'm actually shorting it as well. I still have my long open, but I'm just shorting it as scalp, and I shorted it at 384.12. 384.12. So we're down here. I think I made the video first. I was like, you know what? Let me just short. So I shorted it. It came down a little bit, and then coming up. My stop loss is at 392. Did I get stopped out already? No. My stop loss is at 392.56. So really tight. 3x leverage. I mean, I'm still expecting it to go up, but just in case we pull back to about halfway mark of this, I would like to get my stop loss, put it in profit, and then hopefully, get stopped out in profit, and then continue riding the long. So we'll see if I can get profit on the short while I'm in the long. For the long, we at 35% when we're right here, coming down. So right now we're about 35% again. I would recommend moving your stop loss. This stop loss guarantees that we're in profit, covering our fees and making a little bit of money, if you didn't take profit when we had this really nice explosive move. So in case it just dumps, you're still in profit, slight profit. But man, it looks strong. I'm gonna probably get stopped out of my short. I tried it. I would love to see it pull back. What is the fib retracement on this? Here, I was just eyeballing it when I was doing the video. Go from the low to the high. Ooh, the 0.5. Dang it. I thought that was the 38. I'm gonna get stopped out. Dang it. I'm gonna get stopped out of my short. I didn't realize it went 34. Ah, man. Yeah, I should have put out the fib. I was just eyeballing it. It's like, yeah, probably come down to about here. Oh, but this level's still good. Golden pocket. But, oh well. We'll see. Let me catch up on the chats. Let's see here. Anime and ramen. What's up? What is going on? They are on Twitch. Thank you for joining us on Twitch. If you have questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know. What I do is I show you how to trade. My name's Trade Intuition. I show you how to trade without the tuition. I don't need your money to sell you a course or sell you a boot camp or I'll show you how to trade. I don't do that so I can get rich. We get rich together. I'm gonna get stopped out of my short. That's all right though. I was hoping it was gonna come down a little bit lower. It's just gonna be a scalp, but I'm gonna get stopped out on that. Yep, here it goes. So right now we're up like 35%, or maybe a little bit more on our long that we entered yesterday. Let's see here. Mike says, sold 100% of my crypto today. Hopefully in profit. Oh, yep, there goes my stop loss. Coming up. Where's my stop loss at? 192. Hasn't hit it yet. Okay. Ooh, been holding for 8 years. Nice. Nice, man. Mike says, I see a large dump coming tomorrow with the jobs announcement. Yeah, from September. Very good point. I actually mentioned that to my VIP group. Now I do have a VIP group. Do you need it to learn how to trade? No. It's just for important updates on the trades, market conditions, that type of stuff. I put that in the VIP group. But also got a lot of really talented admins that also just like, man, I'm very fortunate to have them. I'm very fortunate. Like, what's up, buddy? But yeah, we mentioned that tomorrow that we had that announcement coming, which is, in my opinion, is scary because I actually made an audio clip. I don't remember if it was in the video that I made or an audio clip, but I mentioned, and I've mentioned this before too, when we get bad news, sometimes the market reacts negatively, or we go down. The crypto market, stock market, everything. Sometimes when we get bad news, it goes up because people are getting away from the fiat and, from the bonds or whatever, and they're going into crypto and they're getting into stocks. So that's why we trade level by level. We really do. And here, we went over this a little earlier. This is what I would like to see happen. Us to come up here, not cross 92.971, but for us to come up, then come down, continue down to 90 minimum. I would like to say go to 89 before potentially going up. But we'll see. We will see. Let's see here. We went over pump yesterday. We're saying that here is our zone we got to watch out for. For me, potentially, I would wait till it breaks this zone, just in case. Picked up, coming tomorrow. I'm calling it now. There we go. Mike in the house. Hey, Doc the Goat. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Hopefully you're doing good. I've seen you in other streams. Backtest any major Jewish holiday, typically safe to go long. There you go. Hey, isn't the full moon coming up today or something? I don't know. It's right by the mic. Getting a little warm. Take up my. Ooh, man. That's all you need, man. It starts getting hot. Starts getting cold. Start moving. Get my steps in. Get my steps in. I ate some beef stew. I still had some left over. Still have some left over. But I ate a small bowl of beef stew about an hour ago. And I'm trying to convince myself, isn't there like a rule not to use the treadmill if you ate like an hour ago? Oh wait, or is that swimming? Or is that anything? I'm trying to talk myself out of the steps. But I love doing the steps. So we're getting our steps in, guys. Getting our steps in. We also looked at SUI yesterday. SUI, we were looking at this. And for SUI, I was saying, because it retraced to the 236 level, I really want to see it come down. This is my happy face. Coming down to hopefully the 382. So far right now, it just came down to the box. Started coming up. But what I want to see, I do want to see it pull back minimum to the 382 level on the fib. Potentially, right around that area to maybe the mid level of the zone, minimum. Then go up. If it pulls back more, well, then now we got to be careful because now this zone is now resistance and we may roll over. But I kind of don't want it pulling back to 0.5, which normally I do, but this is right under this zone. So it makes it kind of tricky. Now, what I don't want is I don't want it to go up. We talked about this yesterday. I don't want it to continue this extremely fast-paced move to the upside. Straight up, retrace a little bit, 24%, or to the 0.236. And then I don't want to continue going up to have a little small retracement and then continue going up, because normally when this type of price action happens, you get a very fast and steep retracement. Just whoop, and then it tries to come up, and then whoop. That's what this warning sign means, because of this nothing but up, up, up. But right now, it went sideways from yesterday, coming down. So this is healthier than this move. This move I don't want. However, if it did go up, target would have been 1.8681. Next target would have been around 2.0533. I wouldn't like hold a large amount of it after that. So I'd sell 50% here at least, 50% here at least, and let the rest ride. If this were to happen, we move up our stop loss. Hey, we got Infinite Team TA. What's up, brother? Getting the steps in. You gotta do it. I'm trying to talk myself out of getting the steps in. I ate some beef stew. I was like, I don't think I should walk. No, wait, that's an hour. It's swimming. Like, I just gotta take my steps. It was good. I don't cook. I bought an Instapot for the Black Friday deal. And now I'm a professional chef. Thank you very much. I got my own cooking channel. I've written 3 books since Thanksgiving. And yeah, I'm going on tour next week. Dooms. Yeah. So I've cooked beef stew twice already. I bought an Instapot cookbook, but the pictures, they're black and white. Boo, boring. But I'm probably go through that and see the next thing I can make. I kind of made the beef stew, but I made like caldo de res. So basically, I just made rice, threw it in there, and it was rice and beef stew. So it's kind of like caldo. Let's see here. Chris says, hanging out with Gordon Ramsay this weekend. Joe, hello. Gordon Ramsay, who's that? Sounds very familiar. Oh, Gordon, that's the chef guy. It's funny. Keen and Wayne, or Wayne and whatever those brothers, where they make a skit about it, and they're like, "This is the most disgusting dish ever," and the dude's all, "Oh, if I had no taste buds, it was great. Oh, thank you, chef," is what I would say if I had never tasted anything in my life. Oh. If, and then he keeps on doing that. That's it. That's funny. Yeah, that's funny. Hey, we got Wick in the house. What's up, Wick? Getting the steps in, Wick. Getting the steps in. Let's see here. What else did we go over yesterday? Or maybe the day before? We went over AVAX. Let's go the hourly. Ooh, we were completely wrong. And that's why I love doing, well, not completely, but more completely, AVAX. We're looking at AVAX. That's why I love putting the path tool to see if I'm right or I'm wrong. There's a lot of times I'm spot on. It's scary sometimes. I wish I knew what was going to happen. I'd be so rich, man. Sometimes I'm way off. This one, I would consider myself way off. We were here. I'm going to come down to about here, and we did. then come up, which we didn't. We came down lower. And then I'm thinking we're going to come down here to our bounce zone, then come up. We came down barely, you know, on this zone, and we bounced beautifully on it. I would not expect that. And then we just to the moon. Then we saw it here. I think, oh man, for sure. Because we went up so much and so fast. People are doing what you want to do, buy low, sell high. There's a really strong chance it's going to pull back to about here, about 1437, before going up. What happens? Goes sideways. Very boring. This screams to me that we're going to come down. Screams to me. Did we? Nope. We liquidated all the shorts because all the people who love shorting, you know, the SFPs and blah, blah, blah. They're all shorting here, loading up their shorts, loading up their shorts, and their stop loss about here. Boom. Market maker says thank you. And then it comes, here we go. Let's go short again. We're coming down. Awesome. Boom. Liquidate them too. Only to liquidate the longs because we broke the level, broke this level. Now, beautiful SFP. What is that? Swing failure pattern. I normally don't use those terms. I don't use them. But swing failure pattern, all it means is selling pressure if it's on top. And here people go short. So it comes down, boom, liquidate them. And then now another SFP. And then, well, now it comes down. That was ugly. That was so ugly. This upside to the upside is beautiful though. I didn't see it. I wasn't looking. But this is how I trade. This is why I trade the way I trade. I literally trade levels. Like there's a lot of people that make it like incredibly complicated. Like 47 rules, 53 rules, 100. Breaks this level. Especially because we dumped so hard. And I'm not saying this because we went up. There are some times where I say, yeah, I'd enter, and we went down. And those are the trades that most people, especially if they have something to sell, they would not say, oh yeah, I'd enter along here because they know it went down. Here we dump so hard, there's a really good chance we may come up to about here before either coming down, coming up, breaking the high, continuing going up, which that's what we want, or break the low. Okay, let's go short. More than likely it's going to attack this, 1292, then attack this, 1265. But we didn't. We continue going up. Here, I would like to see a pullback, 38, 50%. Then hopefully continue up. Didn't do that either. Joe, that's a bull flag. Don't you see it? I don't trade patterns. Joe, you don't even know what that's a bull pennant. Fine, whatever, flag, pennant. I don't care what you call it. I'm looking for the break of the level. Breaks the level. If I would have entered this, even though I know it went up, but I have nothing to sell you, so I tell you what I would have done. I wouldn't have gone 50% in like I normally do. I would go in 25% because I have a really, really strong intuition that this going up is only to liquidate the shorts. I would think that we would come down hard, very hard, fast to around 1330 before going up. So I would put 25% here just in case it runs, and it did, but we don't know in the moment. And that's what I do. I show you in the moment of the trade. I would expect it to pull back once it comes up. And may do another 25%, depending on how it looks. But definitely when it comes up, comes down, breaks the high, I do at least 50%. Hopefully it continues up and breaks this level. If it does, then great. If it doesn't, then okay, change the mind. Let's go short. Because more than likely we're gonna do lower low, lower high, coming down for this, and then come down for this. That's my thought process. But I don't like this sideways crap. This right here, I don't like. It looks very manipulated. I don't like this. All this right here, to me, this screams box. I don't know the market cap on AVAX. I know AVAX has been around for a long time, but this type of price action, I don't like. All of this, I don't like. I would choose a different coin to trade. I don't like the way it looks. Let me catch up on the chats. Let me catch up. You said catch up? Here. Yeah, hell, that's funny. Let's see here. Yes, you do. I appreciate you very much, Wick, for being here. You're the best, man. Here. Going down the list. Going down the list. Got lasers. Thank you, my man. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. You guys are the best. Okay. David, oh my gosh. Says internet is out. Hotspot out of data. Left to like see the gang tomorrow, I hope. Yeah, man, my internet went out yesterday and I didn't even realize it. Who was I watching? Was I watching Alex O? I was watching somebody last night, and then I go on my phone, I'm outside for about, I don't know, hour and a half, I guess. And so I thought I was using my internet, my Wi-Fi. I come back inside and I'm messing with Photoshop for about another, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours. And I'm watching all these, the live stream, whoever I was watching. And then I go and I try to do something online. It's like, I got no connection. Like, how long have I not had connection? And I go and I look, it's like, well, when I got off the treadmill at 10 or 10:30 or whatever it was, and it was like 12:30. It's like, holy smokes, 2 hours of using my data? No, not good. So yeah. And then I called them up. And I guess it fixed. It worked, like I say. I did the whole modem and the reset and everything. Still didn't work. Woke up in the morning, it was on. So cool. Let's see here. That was a little bit of story time. Okay. Chris says, okay, sold trade. It's posted in Telegram. Hope it's okay. I tried. Put in arrows and stuff too. But thank you, Chris. You're the best. You are the best. Like, no, don't do it. That looks good. Now, one thing I would, man, that looks real good. I'm just looking at it really quick. What I'd recommend to do screenshots, if you come over here to the little camera, I'm sure if you can see it on my screen, or you can't see it. It looks like this. So there's a publish. You click on the camera, and then on the camera, what I do is I do both. I do copy the link and copy the image, and I put them both in there. But if nothing else, you can do one or the other, whichever you like. Do both, so that people who want to see the website, they can click on the link. They can go to the website or the image, then it just pops up. But I think on Telegram, if you click the image that generates, it just opens up the image. I think that's how you do screenshots. Picture, copy image, or copy link, put it in the thing. There you go. But yeah, let's see here. Looks nice though. Chris, you're my favorite. Did I mention that? Don't tell anybody that, because everybody get jealous. Let's see here. Oh yeah. So we're still in ZEC. Ooh, my short got stopped. But we're like at, I don't know, like 40, 45% maybe, or whatever it is on our long. My short got stopped. I was hoping we were going to come down. We did come down, but barely. Well, to the 0.5. Dang it. I was hoping to get this win for the short and then it come up. But it did come down to 0.5, so that's good. We gave this call out yesterday. Took the trade live on air. So yeah. Let's see here. Juggerheart says, "Oh no! Don't let Road Dog hear you say that. I've been eating turkey this whole time." Oh no. Yeah, I've been doing a beef stew. Juggerheart says, "Not sure." Oops. Let me come back to this. Not sure if it's my Bluetooth, but audio looks lagging with the video. Refresh. If you can refresh the page, I'm not sure. My systems are all green. No drop frames. Nothing but green bars here. Oh man, if I was on my computer with the exchange, I'd go short right now. But I don't know why. I keep on forgetting until I'm on the computer. But they just say we went short here. I'm thinking we're gonna go at least. I want to say here. 388, and this would be okay. Citizen white. This short got stopped out by this. But again, you know, we have big pumps. Now, what we don't want to do is we don't want to break this level now. So if you're in this short and you've been following on X, man, I'm gonna do it right here. Our stop loss. This is like our third time we moved our stop loss. So I'm gonna actually have to move my stop loss in just a moment. I'm gonna go to the other computer. Stop loss. So move your stop loss. 37841. So give me just a moment. I'm gonna move my stop loss. And what I should do is log into this dumb computer. I just always forget until it's time. Let's see, where is... Never find my camera, there it is. Ooh, ghost. 37841. 37841. 3, 8. Okay, I have it at 4.2. So let me fix this. I'm getting back on. I'm back on the treadmill. So I put this at 4.2. Okay. So that's where I put my stop loss. I didn't want to mess with, zooming in and everything. So I moved to my stop loss. So originally, our stop loss was down here, 324. Then we moved it up, 341. Then we moved it up in profit to 360. Now we're moving up to 378. So the bare minimum we can do, if you're just doing spot, is 7.5%. If you're doing leverage, within whatever your leverage is. For me, I have it at 3x leverage. So that'd be okay. But our target is right here. We're getting close. Getting close. Let's see here. Zach is bullish. Yeah, man. Let's see. Grandpa gave it to us yesterday. There was a lot of coins that we had yesterday, but out of all of them, Zach was the last one that we did. I said, man, I like it. Let's do it. Let's enter this one. And so we entered it live. And of course, I give plenty of warning before I enter a trade, because I know there's like a 20-second, maybe sometimes 30-second delay. So I tell you, I'm entering right now. Like as soon as I finish doing these notes for YouTube, I'm entering, and here's my stop loss. And then I went to the computer, enter the trade, and then bingo bango. Bingo bango. It's all good, man. And that's how we progress, because we learn. And I appreciate you very much. The solar activity. Yes. Let's see here. What else? I like getting into trades. I like not losing. I like not losing trades. If you're with me, put a 1 in the chat. That's funny. So here for the link, this is way over here. Bigger picture. This was a macro. This was a macro outlook as far as link goes. So we were on the larger time frame. This is what I think might happen. When we first looked at it, well, not first, but the other day, it went up almost 8%. Retraced a little bit. About half of that. Looks good. Looks really good. I do love Link. Caspa. Let's do some Caspa. What's this one? QNT. From here, I thought we were going to come down. We can't. Oh, man, this looks so good. QNT. As long as we don't roll over here. Oh, man. QNT looks good. See, but, man, I hate knowing stuff. Joe, that doesn't make sense. I hate knowing stuff. Tomorrow, we may get bearish news that may get all these coins wrecked. We're gonna look at Caspa in a second. Virtuals was up here. Do we enter? Nope. Why? We think it might pull back to here, and it did. It tried to bounce, and then it came down lower. We looked at it again. No. This was in case it did not bounce. If we broke this level, breaks the level. Come on. I don't have a level. Go 4 hour. This is what I'm thinking. From here, do we enter? Nope. I'm thinking we can pull back to here, come up, and then we can enter here. And we won. And this didn't happen yet. But if we were here, I'm thinking we may come up, pull back again. None of this price action was here, and then break the lows. And to take this liquidity, because people are going long and they have their stops about here, and then this liquidity. And sure enough, we came down, take this, went up, went down further, just to clean up the little debris. And now coming up. So for virtuals, oh man, beautiful bounce right here, right at this freaking level. Man, I'm afraid it may come up and then roll over, break this. Now granted, this was not here. This was not here. This price action, but look where it's bouncing at. Like I said at the beginning, sometimes I'm spot on, like where the price action may go. Sometimes I'm way off. Way off. Dash. We're right here. Set your alert up here. We're 7% away, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. 4 hour candle must close above 59.98 because it may come up and then start rolling over. What happened? We're not holding it. Dash may look good though. Nice accumulation all in here. What's the people who are entering here have the stop loss about 13%. I would do a lower bid right here. This is where everybody's stops are at. I have 2 entries. I like it. This is more of an aggressive play, kind of almost like a investment play. Not so much a trade, but investment. Do where we enter. Let's go. Investment position. I spell that right. Today is December 4. Oh, 4. Time 10 p.m. An hour's already gone by. So what I would do for an investment, I would enter now and have a lower entry, about 13.5, 14% from our current entry. Because here's where all the stops are at. And then if we come down, whoop, moon mission, let's go. Let's freaking go. That's what I'm looking at. I might even do this. Like a 2x leverage. Put a little bit here. And so whenever I do entries, it's normally 50% and then 50%. But here I might do 25% and 75%. And then if it does go and it doesn't do this, well, then I just cancel this one, then enter as it's going up, because now it's stronger chance. And I don't mean like moving up, but after a retrace and then it starts moving. I might do this one. Where's Caspa? Turbo. We thought we were gonna pull back to the brown zone. It clearly broke it. Went into the golden pocket plus. That's what I call that. So known as the hot pocket. Hot pocket. And then went a little further, only to explode up. This one looks like it wants to come down though. Looks like it wants to come down to our bounce zone again. Let's go. Possible. Well, yes, that's strong. Ooh. Where's Caspa at? Man, this one did us dirty. All the way down here to our bounce zone, went further just to liquidate people. Man, that's so ugly. Where's Caspa? Stop messing around. Jono. I want to see Aerodrome. Ooh, sexy. This actually looks ugly. Like it looks sexy in the dark. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah, that looks ugly. I don't like the price action. I love Aerodrome Finance. I don't like the price action. I don't have Caspa on here. What the heck? YouTube. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Caspa, I'm gonna check your comment in just a second. Ooh. Once again, guys, sometimes I'm spot on. It's almost scary. Scary. Look at this. Price was here. I'm thinking we're gonna pull back to about here. What did we do? Put bingos and bangos in the chat, guys. A bingo, bango in the chat. Like I said, there's sometimes spot on. There's sometimes when I'm way off. It's scary sometimes. I just wish I knew the future. I wish I knew what was gonna happen. And you don't have to buy my course. You don't have to buy my boot camp. You don't have to even, heck, you don't even have to join my group. I show you this for free every day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Join me, ask me questions. You get free mentorship every single day. Hopefully we make money together. Grandpa's here. Okay, guys, let's go and get started now. So we're gonna talk about Bitcoin. I'm playing. But yeah, bingo bangos, guys. So for Caspa, we're here. Then we may pull back. And then potentially do this. You could do a lower entry here, which I wouldn't be mad if it came down here. It's a little scary if it does. But what we definitely don't want is the break of 0.051. We don't want that. If we break this level, I think we did on a 4-hour. Sub-O, yep, boom. If we break this level, there's a really strong chance we're gonna come for this. Because it was a really nice, just moon mission. Where we come down, we come up, do a lower high, take some more of this incredible move before potentially going up. That's if we break this. But this is the play I'm looking for. Now, again, tomorrow, we have the data. We have the data coming out to where it may just dump the market. So put your stops hopefully in profit. We did that. Grandpa, thank you, my friend. Thank you, brother. You know, we're making some pretty nice gains. I think it's up to like 40-something%. When we have big moves like this, I always recommend taking some profit, taking some up the top, because the chance of it coming down is really, really high because, well, it moved up so much. Here, I tried to do a short to about here, and it only bounced to 0.5. Stop me out. Dang it, on my short. I'm still in the long. Our first target is 16%. If you're doing a spot trade, great. If you're doing leverage, we recommend, well, I was doing 3x. If you're doing more, great. If you're doing less, great. And we gave this setup yesterday. We went over SUI, Virtuals, HBAR, Caspa, and Zcash. And Zcash looked the best as far as actual trading. Here. Terrible says, trying to find an entry. Nothing seems to be moving. Yeah. We have to be very careful though, because tomorrow we have some data coming out. So we gotta be careful with that. But you guys are the best. So let's check the poll. Let's check the poll. So the poll says, do you think Bitcoin will bounce here? 38% say yes. Let's come back over here, Bitcoin. And currently right now it's trying to bounce. I don't want it to bounce. I don't want it passing 92,971. I really want it to come up. If we come up this high, coming down right now is perfect. But if we came up here, I don't want it, 1 hour candle closing above 92,971. I want it to close underneath it, come down, go back into our zone, and this is perfect. This is fine. This is healthy. A lot of times people freak out that, oh no, we're coming down. We're going to take all this and continue coming down to value area lows and monthly whatever. And it's so funny. I'm here. I'm going to show my schematic of the daily levels. And here, the monthly levels. And here, the yearly levels. And here, the decade levels. And the value area highs for all of them. So before you know it, you have line. You have this. Before you know it, you have this all on the chart. And some are weekly, some are daily, some are hourly, some are whatever. And I'm like, whoa. My question is, did it find support on one of your lines? Oh, yes. It found support on the monthly point of control. And then it found resistance on the 15-minute value area high. Okay, man. You do you. That's too much for me. I'm very simple. Very simple. Just give me levels. That's it. Give me levels. So my levels, I don't want to break in this. I don't want it continuing up before it comes down. I want it to come down to at least the 382 level on the fib retracement, which is roughly 90,000, and then start making its way up. This will be healthy. If it goes even deeper into our gray zone, which is fine, 0.5 level, which is 89K, then start coming out. Great. What we don't want to do, we don't want to do this and then break the low. We don't want the low's broken, because now we're in the golden pocket area, which to me it's kind of like quicksand. The more you're moving in quicksand, the more you're moving down, the harder it is to climb out. Unless there's a vine that can hold your weight. And that vine is higher highs. The vine that you think is a vine, but it's really a snake, those are the lower lows. That's right, I said it. Referring to Indiana Jones, what, Temple of Doom? I don't even know. It's one of the old ones. Anyway, I was gonna do a story time. Let's do in the poll. Let's see, 15% say pull back to 382. 23% say pull back to the 0.5. 23% dump here. Lower lows. In the poll. Very nice. Hey, we got Meet Damien in the house. Meet Damien is another YouTuber. He goes live Monday through Friday, 12 to 2. I used to go live 12 to 1. So definitely check him out. Let me see if I can pull him up. Here. Let's do this. Yeah, but Meet Damien. So for those of you who love the 12 o'clock spot, definitely check out Meet Damien. So Meet Damien goes on 12 to 2. So let's put him in here. And then Road Dog was live today. I think like at 2. I think. I know when I went on my break, he was live. I don't remember what time I went on break. But yeah. So he was live. So I popped in his really quick. Let's see here. And I think that's it. Or in that time frame. But yeah. Let's see here. And he's real big on, man, his numbers have come up. We were watching him when he was only like at 200 subscribers. Now he's double that, 500. Halfway there to the 1K. I like it. Got a lot of subscribers since the first time. That's good, man. Good for you. Let's see here. Right, so that's the end of the show. Where do y'all want to go? Oh, is that the right one? There we are. Let's do this. I really like getting my steps in. You can see I'm layered. I have 2 shirts on. I had a jacket. I had a beanie. Let's see, go to edit. This one. Redirect. No problem. We have Lunar Beaches live. We always go to him. I guess he's the only one. Check out Beast Limitless. Definitely do that. See my other channels. Let's see here. I have suggestion to send everybody when you're done tonight. If he's still alive. Another name a year ago, but Beast Limitless. Let's look him up. Let's look him up. So Beast or Beast Limitless. I'm assuming this one. Let me know if it's this one. Oh no, he's right here. You said live. Dude, this dude's a scammer. This is a scammer. He's a scammer. Oh no, be careful with this guy. This guy's all tatted up. He's a white dude. He's all tatted up. This is the one who had that coin, a Mandy coin. His girlfriend was a nurse. He scammed his whole community. I guess that's why he changed his name. I asked him a question because he was just going through chart after chart after chart after chart, just like really quick, not explaining anything. I asked him a question like, hey, do you break down your stuff? He banned me right away. I didn't even know I was banned. 30 minutes later, I asked another question and no one was responding. So I logged in with my other account and I saw that my stuff wasn't going through. Dude's a 100% scammer. 100%. Look, let's see if my comment comes up. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know if my comment comes up. No, man, I'm glad you told us, because we were able to let you know who he is. Because he had a lot of subscribers, and now he's only have 100. That's because he duped everybody, and now I bet you he blocked everybody too. Super good at stealing your liquidity and running. Yep, 100%. Yeah. Yeah, I remember this dude. Any potential setups? We can look. Yeah. So I'm really happy you said that, man. Because hopefully we saved you. Hopefully we saved you. Yeah, don't feel bad, brother. Don't feel bad. Hopefully we saved you from, you know, a potential scam. So, man, I'm so happy you said that. Like, really happy. Okay, let's go back over here. Let's run through some charts really quick. Let's see if we can get to another setup. This one's just kicking butt. Solana. Solana looks like it's bouncing. 3-day. I don't know. I'd feel more comfortable if the price action already did something like this and we were here. Then I'd say, okay, it's looking good. We just got to watch out for this, but looking good. We can ensure, just, you know, if we break below this, then really strong, we do a short to attack this, When I say this, potentially 133, 125. But that's if we were to get rejected here. Because we have this really nice, just solid level that we're looking at. Let's see. Yep. Man, this is so freaking beautiful, man. So what we want to do for Solana, for safer long, we want to break above 144 on the 4-hour time frame. That's what we want to do. If it comes down, then up, then down, then we could enter long, just knowing that here, really good chance that we pull back. But if we start breaking the lows, especially, you know, if we come down here, in my opinion, really good to take this. So we'll see. Let's see here. Yeah, guys, thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the best. And then if you have any coins you want me to look at, we can look at them, see if we can get into it together, like we did with Zcash. Oh yeah, man. And that's what I love. Like, just imagine if you didn't have a community. Just imagine if you didn't, you know, following us. Like, man, I'm so happy you said that. Yeah, 100%, man. And we all do. Like I said, we're a family who wants to make money together. versus like a lot of other people where they just want your money and they'll tell you whatever you want to hear. Oh yeah, man, I'll make you rich. I'll show you blah blah. I got admins, I have videos, I have whatever. Join my group, pay me. That's how I get rich. Do I have a group? Yes, I do. That's only if you want the updates, only if you want the Bitcoin blah blah blah, like all the updates in the market and everything. That's, you join the group for that. Will you learn faster? Sure, of course, but you learn here for free. You learn here, you make money, and then hopefully you join my group. One, just paying it forward. Like, okay, I'm making some money. I'm learning. I learned a lot. Let me join the group. Pay it forward. Keep the lights on. But yeah. So here. Yeah. Yeah, it is a good thing, dude. Like I said, it's good. So here, yeah, check it a few, no man's land. Just have to be patient, and that's the truth. You gotta be patient. And then just again tomorrow, so Popcat, especially last year, man, it was punished. It was in the corner. I was so mad at Popcat. My admins, man, they were killing it with Popcat. And then finally I get around to looking at it. It's like, all right, let's enter the trade. Boom, stopped out. A couple days later, maybe a week. Okay, I think it's ready. Let's go for it. Boom, stopped out. All right, we're gonna try it one more time, guys. One more time. Boom, stopped out. I say, you know what? The heck with you. I'll put it in timeout. My admins were still trading it. I'm making good money too. It's just, I was looking at different things. It's really got to break this level for me to consider it. 0.1119. I think it will though. Really nice higher low. What's the moves? Is it like 10% or is that 8% or 3%? So this, man, this pullback, 19, we'll just call it 19%. You're on leverage, ouch. That hurts quite a bit. But Joe, don't you see it? Wait for it. We have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. I guess I see I see this. Joe, you said neckline. It's a low. That's what I see. But Joe, don't you see it? We have a bull pennant. Okay, cool. Still needs to break this level because you can have a bull pennant and it does this. Now it's a shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. So yeah. I kind of had mixed feelings with Popcat. Now we have made money with it. I think I posted it 5 times, and I think only once, maybe twice, but we'll just say once, we made money on it. My posting. The admins, the other admins, when they would post it, they love Popcat. Killing it. But I wouldn't enter it because I was always getting my stops hit. And let's see here. Popcat is almost like Punky of the Cats points. And all right, keep going. Let's look at Turbo. I like Turbo. Turbo's so cute. Is this Turbo? Yeah. Oh, we already looked at it. Oh, it's really come down to the bounce. Oh, I'm definitely looking too short. The cute little guy. Yeah. Gas is doing what we thought, potentially. I'm just worried about tomorrow. I really am. If my target doesn't hit, so here I'm thinking maybe pull back, but we moved up our stop loss. if my target isn't hit by tomorrow morning, let's just say we're like somewhere here, just say we do continue to come up, I'm just going to close it out. And then if not, we get stopped out in profit. We're going to get hype. Let's see here. Joe, you have too many tabs open. Calm down, calm down. See here, hype. Apple liquid. Ooh, sexy. Why is this one sexy and not PopCat? See, these are all questions that we should be asking ourselves. Okay, so just looking at this, I know we were way up here and we came way down. So let's just kind of zoom out. So here, Infamous, October 10th, going sideways, breaking the low, then huge pump, only to jump. And then now it's doing this, came all the way down, kind of the structure, the ups and downs don't look as clean as this. Now, granted, we have also come up and down here. You know, we went up. This was just beautiful when this happened. And then we came down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So this structure, I like a little bit more. We did actually make a lower low, which unlike PopCat, here we made a higher low. So this is more bullish. However, the all the ups and downs isn't as bullish as this one. Because, you know, we had this. Yes, fine, we broke this. We came up, we came down, we came up, we not retested, retraced. And here, potentially, I'm not going to trade just because tomorrow. But man, beautiful 382, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this looks so beautiful. Here is the zone I'm watching. Yes, I know we have some wicks up there. I'm down. This is my zone I'm watching. What's the percentage? That's one thing we gotta look at. Percentage time. Here to here, 10%. So if you wanted to be safe, and for me, I love being safe. If you want to be safe, what you could do, man, I'm smelling my treadmill. Smells very hot. I would set the alert 37.046. And the 4-hour candle must close. Let's write it all out. That way we don't forget. 4-hour candle must close above 36.227. We got Al in the house. What's up, Al? Don't. Well, it's good to hear that your girl's not late. Very good. Those of you know, you know. Let's see here. So for hype, if you want to be safe, set your alert 37.046. The 4-hour candle must close above 36.227. If so, then we get into the trade. Medina. Let's see here. This is a perfect spot for it to bounce. I would like for it to bounce here, but I'm worried about tomorrow, so I'm not going to do any trades. Right now, thanks to Grandpa, we're in this one. We're up about 40-something% currently, so that's good. Took the trade live last night. Go to the 1 hour. And we came down, we took all of these shorts or all of these stop losses from the long. I want to see it. Joe, were you gonna say that's all, folks? Calm down. I think we're gonna come down though. And that's why the beauty of going to a smaller time frame. Because here, I want to see it come up higher. So from here, you know, we came down, we came up, we came down. I would like to see it come up to at least here with no issue before coming down, before continuing up. I don't think this is going to happen. I think instead, this is going to happen. We're going to come down, we're going to break this level, come down here, come up, come down here to this, and then potentially come up here, or continue coming down. So I'm gonna go with this being plan B, because I don't think this is gonna happen. It could, but I don't think it will. This will be plan A. Just based off of this, you know, if it was gonna bounce, I don't want to see any kind of resistance. I want to just see it go up. Like this right here. Boom. Up. Like this right here. Go up. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see this sideways baloney come up and then start looking weak. I do think it's going to come down. Let's make this here so it's more evident. Heck, what we could do for anticipation for tomorrow, high risk, we could do a short here, have our stop loss very tight. Let's say 2%. I might do this one. Well, I will do this one. Very tight stop loss, 2%. Stop loss for anticipation for tomorrow. If we get bad news and everything dumps, could we just wait for tomorrow to enter? Sure. But I'm actually going to enter this right now. So 34, 26.4. Give me just a moment. Let me enter this short. Oh, and I'm going to go 10x. 10x. I'm going to go crazy. Crazy. 10x short. So let me go to the other computer real quick. 1 second. 34.26.4. 34.26. Don't worry, guys. I'm still here. Just on the other computer. And that one is height. Okay. And go short 10x. Stop loss 34.264. We're trying to break under the VWAP on the 3 minute. Okay. Just entered it. 1 second. Let me see if it saves it. A moment. Over here. Ooh, I almost stepped on the treadmill. All right, so I'm here. Yep. All right, let me see. So let me finish my thought process. Okay. Let me catch up in the chat really quick. Okay. Chris says, I was going to say something about turbo as well. Yeah, I do like turbo, but I think it's going to come down. But before it goes up, whatever the thing was, I forgot already. Mr. Ethereum in the house. What's up, man? Mr. Ethereum says Bitcoin goes below 91.3. It's going down. Nice. Low volume gap down to the 80s. Whoa. Wowzers. So we looked at hype. What's going on? So here. Oh yeah, man, definitely. Here. Going to the list. See, would you long into the short? Sometimes I do, and sometimes I do vice versa. I'll short into the long. But here, if we saw this and it was up, let's say it went up pretty high, like here, I would think that potential would come down and then continue up. So on this down part, there have been times, especially in the VIP, where I'll say, we're long right now, but I think we're gonna pull back. Let's end up shorting. And then sometimes that short keeps on going and we get stopped out of our long in profit. Our stop losses moved up. And then the short keeps on going. It's like, oh, I didn't think it was gonna do that, but shoot, we'll take it. And then there's sometimes where we'll short it, we're long, or we're gonna go long, but I anticipate that we're gonna pull back first. We'll actually short it, and then it'll flip. We'll get stopped out in our short in profit, hopefully first target hit, and then we enter our long and starts going. So yeah, it just depends, like if you want to watch it. But here, oh yeah, let me do our target. Let's see here. First target. Let's see here. Joe, that's not even a 1-to-1. You're the worst mentor ever. Blah, blah, blah. Calm down, guys. Calm down. It's gonna be okay. You're gonna be all right. Everything's fine. Do this. Yeah, my mouse is just hyper today. The next stop loss, next target here. This. Make it fancy. Copy. Okay. So, I can't record this. I forgot to do this last time. This is 10x. Oh crap. This is hype. For them, I'm gonna put 5x to 10x short. May get bearish news tomorrow. Data coming in. Covered this on tonight's stream. Info on charts. If you have questions, Please ask in the VIP chat for further explanation. For my group. Let's see here. Grandma says, yeah, I have 32. It's possible bounce target. 32. Okay, good. So, right around here. Possible bounce. Yep. And I concur. Right around here. I don't think we'll come down to 786. We'll see. Hey, y'all doing hundreds. I see the things coming up. Very cool. Thank you. Let's see here. Getting our steps in, guys. Getting our steps in. We just entered a hype short right now. We're doing 10x leverage. You could do a 2x or 5x or a 3x. You know, none of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. We do live trading here on the show. Yesterday we entered Zcash. We're up about 40% right now. I was trying to short it down here, just a scalp, but it only came out to the 0.5 and then just blasted off. So my short did get stopped out, I think at 4%, 3%, something like that. It was really tight. My stop loss really tight. I didn't have it way up here. Oh, here's my stop loss at 92.56. So somewhere right here. And I entered at 384. So whatever percentage that is. 3x leverage. Got stopped out. It's okay. Did this one yesterday. We're up about 40%. Do we win all the time? Nope. Do we lose? Sure. We show you the wins, we show you the losses, show you the thought process. We are true traders, showing you what traders do. Take trades. There's some times where we don't trade on air because the market's not good or whatever. But right now, I do think that if we were going to go up, we would have not had this little hesitation. We would have just gone up. But since we had this hesitation and we're starting to come down, let's go for it. Do it short. All right. Let's see here. Here. Too late for me. I'm already crazy. Uh-oh. Chris says, out. Joe still needs to get that beanie. Let's go. Al says, I'm waiting to hit the gap at 82.9 and see if we break. Now, Al gave some amazing alpha the other night when, where were we? Here, I think. And I thought we were going to retrace to about here or something. Or was it another day somewhere? Probably here. And Al said, we're going to come down to here or something. And spot on. So now I was saying, I'm waiting to hit the gap at 92.9. So you think we're going to come up here? Okay. This is where we don't want to cross. And see if we break it and hold that support. Then for sure, that 786 at 93.7 and BC, don't know what that is. Liquidity, because liquidity, I feel an SFP to take the 3-day liquidations at 94.5. Okay, so you think we're gonna go up? Yeah, those are really nice liquidations to the upside, which is very true. I would like to see us come down, build more liquidations to the upside, bounce of 382, so right around 90. And then come up, take those liquidations. Joe, I want that beanie. What are you talking about? What beanie? Golden Pocket Joe? Not the Gap. Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Golden Pocket. Golden Pocket. Sorry. We're at 1.2 speed. We've gone 92 minutes. No, holy smokes. We have gone 92 minutes. That's crazy. No? Because I think this goes to 99 and then it resets. Almost 2 hours, guys. No. 9, 10, hour and 45. I started walking, taking my steps just a few minutes before the show. Wrong one. UK closes at 11 p.m. our time, Eastern, I'm guessing. And Asia is expecting UK to dump, in my opinion. So Asia, I think, will dead cat bounce this B for that liquidity and then drop it for the weekend. CME. You're so smart. Yeah, but like how many miles, Joe? Hold on, I didn't see that part. 1.2 speeds. Not 103 minutes. 2 miles. Let's go. I feel like Rocky right now. Let's go. 2 miles. Let's go. So that's good. Feel good. And to think, because I ate like an hour and a half before the show, I was trying to make excuses. Wait, I don't think you're supposed to walk an hour after you eat. No, is that swimming or activities? I don't know. I just know not to run by the pool. And here we are, 2 hours. Oh no, 103 minutes or something. I don't know. 2 miles. Let's go. 2. Let's friggin' go. Oh yeah, let's look at our shorts. We have our stop loss, so that's good. Oh, and on the 3 minutes, we were underneath our VWAP. Where's our VWAP? So the blue line is our VWAP. The white line is our 9 SMA. Our orange line is our 30 SMA. So right now, is looking okay for our shorts. Could we come up here to 30 SMA? Sure. And potentially come back down? Sure. And it's not just the 30 that I'm looking at, but it's the extension leg. And this would be a nice area for it to go up to come back down, which also has this little zone right here. So if it did this number, I would not be mad. I came up to about here. Boop. Should be this little zone. Look at that. The middle of this line is right where I'm thinking we may get rejected. And then this is just a lower high than this. Let's go. I like extending it all the way out, see if it doesn't, stops anywhere. So if it does this, I'm okay. Now, if it comes up and it breaks out of this, oh, I don't like it. Where's my stop loss at? Stop loss. It's way up here. It's 2%. If it breaks out of this box, I don't like it. But it gives me plenty of time for it to maybe roll over. We'll see. We shall see. Make it bounce. No, we don't want to make it bounce. We make it bounce, it goes up. I was gonna play the song too. For this one, we can make it bounce. Whoa. So here, we're right here. Then we're gonna come down to about here. Come up. Come down, hopefully, to 3, 2. We actually tap the 3, 2 on this candle. And then come up. We'll see. We shall see. 15 minute. 15 minute. Down, up, down. Come after this liquidity, come after this, and then lose it. Lose it. You guys are the best. Thank you guys for smashing the like. Thank you for just being here. I appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. We're getting our steps in. Getting our steps in. Go 3 minute. And we do live trading. Like I mentioned yesterday, I think it was yesterday. Trader Geo. Nobody trades live. I love Trader Geo. Nobody trades live. And then he thought about it. He's like, wait, Alex will trade live. And then I put in the comments, hey, I trade live too. When the trades are good, I'm not just going to take a trade to take it. When I think something might happen, I'll take it on air, show y'all. And then I tell y'all before, I don't tell y'all, I inform y'all before I actually take the trade. I don't take the trade and then wait a couple seconds or a minute or two, be like, all right, guys, I entered that trade when I said, I think it looks okay. That's when I entered, huh? And now I'm up 55%. What, huh? Let y'all know, because I know there's a 10, 20, 30-second delay. Like, I'm going to get in. As soon as I finish this note, I'm getting in. Actually, I got to go to the other computer to get in. And then I make sure to put the stop loss on the screen before I get in so that y'all can see the stop loss, and it buys me more time for it to catch up. But yeah, if it comes up, I won't get back. You just want to break it low. I don't want to break it up this above here. But if we do, I mean, there's several chances for it to roll over. But if it breaks above this, I'm like, oh, maybe I should just close the trade. We'll see. But I think that's it for me, guys. We had a good stream. Went over Bitcoin. Went over your coins. Went over coins that we looked at the previous days. And we updated our trade. We went from last night for a stop loss to where if we do get stopped out, we're in profit. Our 16% hasn't hit getting some major resistance right now. We don't want to break this low. If we break this low, pretty good chance we're going to keep on coming down. That's why we have our stop loss right here. I wanted to pivot here. And I was thinking, if we pull back to 382, we're still good. But since this one candle pulled back to the 382, I don't want it breaking this. If it breaks this, really good chance. So if it rolls over, this is what I'm trying to say. Use words, Joe. Like a caveman over here. If it rolls over and it breaks this, not good. Take out that magnet tool. Because then, really strong chance. But then we get stopped out already. It's what we don't want. Because it came down here to 382, we don't want it closing underneath this. We do, we're out. More than likely. 90, it goes up, like the being stopped out goes up like 98%. Oh yeah, we need let's see if Road Dog's here. Road Dog. Dang it. Cancel this. Go back again. Back. Joe, you look so unprofessional. You got layers of shirts. Yes. Y'all couldn't see it when I had my jacket on. It got too hot. Grandpa says, thanks, Joe. Good luck with hype, loser. You don't even know how to trade. Pathetic. Whoa, 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 Grandpa. And just keeping an eye out for now. Yeah, I'm gonna do the short. We'll see how it goes. And if not, I mean, stop loss is fairly tight. I did a 10x though. Lunar Beaches, but he's almost done. 10 minutes. Is the only one? Where's Old Dog? Huh. I guess let's go to Lunar Beaches just so we can give him the likes and say trade intuition raid. I ran late. Trade intuition raid. I do thank you guys very much. If we can go over there really quick, just smash a like. Appreciate you. Oops. Appreciate you. And let's make this money. Trade intuition raid. I gotta turn off this thing because it smells like it's burning. And we gone how many miles? Wait for it. We've gone 112 minutes. 2.23 miles. Time to turn it off. Turkey is live. I don't see him on here though. Let me try it one more time. Let's see here. Let's come back to the main screen. I don't see him on here. Did he change his settings or something? Do y'all see him? I don't see him on here. Road. Dog. There he is. What the heck? All right. So let's go here, Road Dog. Make sure to say trade intuition raid. I do thank you guys. And now I have to find the off button. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Next to the smoke. I'm playing, but I do think it smells like heat, hot fire. All right, here's the off button. 3, 2, 1. See ya. Let's make this money. Trade intuition raid. Trade intuition raid. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon. Take care. Off.